In 93, we are looking for the volume of this rectangular prism. So they actually give you length times width times height. It really doesn't matter these three dimensions which is which. So I'm just going to say x times the quantity 10 minus 2x times the quantity 8 minus 2x. Now to make my life a bit easier, I'm actually going to FOIL the two binomials. So I have 10 times 8, which is 80. I'm going to do the outside terms, which is minus 20x, and then the inside terms, which is minus 16x, and then the last, which is plus 4x squared. So I still have x times all of that. I'm probably going to go ahead and simplify that parentheses so I can combine that negative 20x minus 16x, which is minus 36x plus 4x squared. The last thing I really need to do is distribute and then maybe reorder. But if I just straight distribute, I'm going to get 80x minus 36x squared plus 4x to the third. Now this is not in standard form, so most likely on the quiz we'll have you put that in standard form. So you would say 4x to the third minus 36x squared plus 80x. Now technically, since it's volume, then you would say units cubed. We don't know if this was centimeters or inches or whatever, but volume, you always have a label. And there you have it.